Good morning. Today we're here with Ashavri and Harshita, and they're going to explain us about their eco-friendly science project.
This is an eco-friendly science project which is based on hydroelectricity, which is being produced with the wastewater, after which the wastewater is being cleaned and the filtrate is collected as biogas. The basic idea or the layout of the project is that the wastewater from the houses is collected, it is run over the turbine, and then further the dirty water is collected and it is taken to a water treatment plant. From there, the water is cleaned and used for various agricultural purposes. And the filtrate, which is left behind, is taken to biogas plant through underground pipes. And then the biogas plant produces biogas, which is used as fuel in rural areas.
Can you guys demonstrate the project?
The dirty water from the houses travels through a pipe through a turbine, and then the mechanical energy of water is converted into electrical energy. As we can see, the LEDs are glowing. Then the wastewater is purified and is collected. Then clean water is collected after purification. The water is used for various agricultural purposes.
The filtrate, which is left,
this is the clean water that we have derived.
The filtrate, which is left, is taken through underground pipes and is stored in the biogas plant, and the fuel is generated through it.
Very good morning. This is an eco-friendly science project. So Shreya will tell the basic mechanism of this project. So Shreya.
This is a mechanical biogas decomposer. It's made up of wooden box, and inside the box we can convert our house waste into organic waste. In this chamber, the waste is actually converted into simpler form, and which can be used for small scale farming purposes.
So I'll tell the basic detailed working of the project. So what we are doing is we'll set up the project on a little small scale in our societies and all. So that people can put their kitchen waste and all that organic waste, so that it could be converted to simple organic manure which could be used for their farming purposes. The little farm which they maintain for simple spinach and all. So basically we put our waste in it and then we start a churner. So this churner will move. After the churner will move, the waste would be passed through these chambers, and when it will pass, it would be collected in this digester. Over there, the heavy waste would be collected over here, and the lighter waste, which is actually the biogas, would move up and pass through these pipes, which would be connected to underground pipelines, and that would be supplied to their homes for the burning purposes and etc. As biogas is 75% methane and is a good burn. So this is the basic mechanism and how it will work. So it could be used for small scale farming purposes. That's all.
Thank you.